We've added gradient background support for buttons in the Form, Survey, and Quiz Builder. This gives you more control over button styling by letting you switch between a solid color and a gradient background directly from the button settings. Let's learn how to make the background color of your button into a gradient. Open the Form, Survey, or Quiz Builder and select a button element. From the Button Style settings, open the Button Colors and Background section. Switch from a solid color to a gradient. Customize the colors, type, and angle. This feature gives you flexibility in styling your buttons, allowing you to add and edit multiple color stops if desired, with control over the gradient's angle and support for existing button styles. Now you can customize buttons without needing custom code, keeping your designs interesting and dynamic without needing to be an expert. We hope you enjoy it.